Plasma membrane lets good things in and keeps bad things out.
For a bad germ, it is very hard to get into the plasma membrane. As for good germs, it's easy and quick.
That's the plasma membrane.
I am a good germ. I'm going to get into the plasma membrane. Ready?
Good germ.
Did it.
It's my turn.
Bad germs cannot enter the plasma membrane. That's funny. They think they're going to get into the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane and the nucleus are two very important parts of the cell. And they help work together to maintain homeostasis, and it helps keep the cell working properly.
One of the things that the cell membrane interacts with is called the flagellum. It's a fluffy tail that propels the cell around.
As you can see, good germs, like myself, can get
Bad
in
germ
the plasma membrane, but bad germs like them cannot get in. There you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Wait, already? Okay.